In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download YouTube videos, step by step, and by the end, you'll know how to download your own videos, and others too. If this helps you, make sure to like and subscribe. Let's get started. First, I'll show you how to download your own YouTube videos. Go to the top right and click on your profile icon. Now click on YouTube Studio. Once you're inside, go to the left side and click on Content. You'll see all your videos here. Find the video you want to download, hover over it, click on the three dots, and then click on Download. That's it, your video will start downloading. You can check the progress at the top right of your browser. Now, let's talk about downloading other people's videos. Open the video you want to download. Below the video, you'll see a download option. Click on it. Now, sometimes YouTube will show a message about downloading in high quality with premium, like 720p or 1080p. But don't worry, even without premium, you can still download videos. Just select the available quality and click Download. The download will begin. You can track the progress in your browser and click on View to open your downloads. Once it's done, you can watch the video anytime, even without internet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.